Hello everyone, in this quick video I will show you how to deliver WordPress website to a client in a really simple way. So what I was doing, when I was, web designing for other clients, what I was doing is I was designing their websites and I was getting paid upfront to design their website, right? Now I recently found a really good article that describes how I was doing it, right? So this is basically the article that describes it. So this is the best way how to deliver a website or a WordPress website to a client. So basically, whenever you're doing a WordPress website, make sure you get paid upfront. Now, once you get paid upfront, make sure to tell a client to buy both domain and hosting and connect them, both together, right? And then ask them for a login details or to add you as administrator to their website. Now, once you have this, you will be able to go in and design a website, right? Now, you can design it, and as soon as your work is done, your client can remove you from your user list. Now, as you can see, but this method comes with a little risk as your client can be a scammer. But that's why you should be getting paid upfront and then doing this second right step and third step, right? So this is basically how I would do it. This is how I was doing it always, and it worked really well. The client will pay you for your web design services. The client will pay for domain and hosting and connect them to the website, right? And they will ask them, and you can ask them for login details to add you to as an administrator to their website, and then you can start designing it, right? Then once you're done, they can just remove you from the website, and that's basically it. So that's basically how to deliver WordPress website to a client. A really easy way, right? This is the easiest way possible. So if you want to know more about WordPress and website design, comment down below what do you want to know more about, and we'll create a video about that. But until then, thank you guys for watching.